Hey guys, good morning. Oh my god. Good morning, afternoon, or whenever it is you're watching this vlog. But right here it is morning. It is about 7:30 to 8 thereabout a.m. in the morning. And guys, welcome back. It's been about 1 month since my last vlog, and don't ask if you're following me on all other social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. You know that I've been very present on there. It's just that YouTube has been slacking a little bit, but I've posted a bit of YouTube shorts, so yeah, there's that. As you read by the title of this video, I am traveling to Rwanda. I wanted to travel to Rwanda, say like 3 years ago, but then something happened. I couldn't get time off work or something, around that excuse, and I couldn't go. But I'm so happy to be finally visiting Rwanda. Yay! I'm always so happy for any travel vlog, any travel content. It makes my joy full. Like, this is where I find joy. So guys, this is a packing and travel with me vlog. Basically, not just packing, prepping, travel with me, flying to Rwanda, all that good stuff. And then maybe the next vlog will be like, my activities in Rwanda proper. So guys, I am waiting for my COVID test to be taken from my house. Yes, I'm queuing up at any hospital to have my COVID test taken. I want to be treated like a queen, and I want it to be taken in my house. So I've booked for like a home testing, home sample collection COVID test, and they said it'll be here at 8. It's currently maybe like 10 minutes or 15 minutes to 8, and that's what I'm waiting for now. So I'll do that and then get on with the day. I'm also doing a little bit of meal prepping. Like, I've started since yesterday. I just want to cook some food for my husband before I travel, because he needs to be eating good food. I mean, he can cook himself, but I want him to eat my food while I'm away. So that's really what I'll be doing. And then packing. I've not packed one single item of clothing. One I have not packed. I also need to do my nails, but I'm doing my nails myself. I'm doing press-on nails because I really can't be bothered, and I don't want something too permanent. I don't want it to last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. No. I was spending a total of 6 days in Rwanda. I'm so happy. Can you tell? Okay guys, let me just get ready for my COVID. Not like I just need to wear a shirt on top of this for my COVID test, because I don't want him to be seeing all of this skin. By the way, my skin is skinny. I will love it. Okay, COVID test done. See, that was seamless, and I should be expecting my results in like 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, which almost like 24 hours to when I travel. So good, so good. I like efficiency like this, things that don't make me go out or queue. We love it. So guys, let me show you the barbecue chicken I'm doing, or should I say grilled chicken? I think it's barbecue. Oh, my entire house smells so good right now. Also guys, I had my hair cornrowed yesterday. I told them not to pick my front hair because I really don't have a lot of it. So I had it cornrowed yesterday. It looks so good. Hey guys, so I'm about to start packing now. I just want to as I am like this, I don't even know what I'm packing. I know, but then I don't know. That's feeling. But I just know that I want to have enough clothes for my 7 days stay in Rwanda. So let's go. I want to also do like a reels or a TikTok of me packing, and then that is my box. I'm taking a small box and then another hand luggage type thing. So let me just set you guys up here and then we pack together. guys, these are must-have travel essentials for me as a confirmed Yoruba girl. See, granuts, or do you say peanuts? Like, I must travel with this. More importantly, suya pepper. Like, I must always travel with my suya pepper. Also kilishi and with the granite gari, Ijebu gari, because as you guys know, I'm not so adventurous with food. I like to visit places, but I'm not like so adventurous with food. So important. Guys, I want to sweetly I want to quickly sort out my nail situation. I have these glues for press on. If you can please focus. Yeah, I have these glues for press on, but then I'm thinking I'll just use super glue just to glue my nails down. Not super glue per se, but like a stronger glue apart from these, just so it can last a bit longer. I've already set out the nails here. See this set out. So now it's for me to basically glue them to my nails, and I need to do this fast because I'm going to the gym today. I'm going to the gym, guys. My Instagram people know, but then I've paid for like the rest of the year, and I must use my money to the fullest. So I'm going to the gym today, and yeah, I need to do this fast. I see my nails. Hello, focus please. Yeah, I feel like I did a pretty decent job. Just like normal basic nails. I'm really not a fan, so yeah, I'm not a fan. But so my pictures can look good, and you know, when I put my fingers or my palm in shot or in frame, it can pick up something nice. That's why I did this. Really, I don't want it to last long at all. Right now I just want to plan for the gym, go to the gym workouts, because I'm not going to go to the gym for another 6 to 7 days. So good morning, guys. Yay, it's my trip day. Yay. Oh my god, guys, I am ready to go. I'm basically dressed in something comfortable. I'm going to show you real soon. It's 11 o'clock and I think I should be leaving now. I should get to the airport at 12, and my flight is at 3:30, but you know, better safe than sorry. Abi, how they say that thing? Yeah, so I'm going early. Let me show you what I am wearing. So outfit of the day check. I'm wearing Crocs, and then you know, a set. I think I've worn this set before to Ocean State, if you remember. And this is my luggage, something small, see, not a lot. And yeah, guys, it's time to head on. I don't think I'll be traveling with this microphone because it just makes everything look so big. I need a smaller mic. If you know where I can get, please plug. But yes, and I hope you can hear me because the microphone is literally here and I'm talking behind it. So I am at the airport now, currently filming in the airport toilet. See, look at that. And I'm filming with my phone because for some reason my battery died. I think I charged it before leaving, so I think I just left it on all through TNT and everything, and so it drained out. So guys, I'm just waiting to board. I'm so early, like the plane is so good, 1 hour 30 minutes away. Like, nah. morning from Kigali, Rwanda, guys. As I got in yesterday, I was just so tired. I just went to bed straight. I wanted to show you guys the room, but I'm just like, we'll do this tomorrow when there's a bit of sunlight, because we got into Rwanda at about 9 p.m. I know Rwanda is ahead of Nigeria by 1 hour, so yeah, the whole thing messed up my system. But guys, I am finally in Rwanda. I wanted to come here like 2-3 years ago, and that did not happen. Finally glad that I made it. Now guys, I woke up early today. I woke up at like 6:30 to like 5:30 in Nigeria. Like, kudos to me. I'm staying at the 2000 hotel here in Kigali. It was quite a distance from the airport, but I got a hotel airport shuttle to come pick me up from the airport. That is complimentary once you are booked in this hotel. Just find the hotel on bookings.com and then you get like the correct pricing for this hotel. But let me show you what I'm working with. Let me show you, let me give you a room tour. First of all, we'll probably go for breakfast. Today is just a chill day. I don't know if I want to schedule any sightseeing today or just taking fact that I'm in Rwanda. You get what I mean? Let me show you the room. Okay guys, so this is the room. On entering, you just have the bath to the side. Let me turn on this light. Oops, I turned it off. Yeah, you just have the bath over here. This is the basin. There are, you know, 2000 hotel things. And then my skincare, towel, mirror, and then the bathroom toilet. And walking into the room, this is what the situation is looking like. This is the bed. It is slept in because I did sleep in it. There is a wardrobe on this side, and I've already arranged my things, my shoes, everything there. Iron and ironing board, a thing for your box. They do not have ACs in the wall or up here. So the ACs are on the floor, and that is my AC. It actually does cool well. This light situation here, which I love. Bedside table, another bedside table. Let me turn on this light, and then a chair and table there just for you to relax. On the opposite side is where you have the fridge, a desk and a chair, and the world's smallest TV. Also guys, I did not show you the mirror on this side. It's, oh, my alarm. I woke up before the alarm safe. This is the mirror, a full length mirror. Gosh, I wish I brought my other lens, but because it's a prime lens, I'm just using this kit lens. I really don't like the output of this kit lens, really. And then this is my window that just has a nice view of the city, some parts of the hotel, and then this is the city itself. I can see Techno there. So yeah, that's the room. Booking this place is so easy because just go on bookings.com really, and it's quite affordable, and the fact that they come pick you up in the airport. So guys, I want to go downstairs now for breakfast so I can just get that in quickly and then start my day. Even if I'm not going out, doesn't mean I'm not going to create content and things like that. So yeah, let's just get that in. So guys, I just finished having breakfast and I'm here with my travel buddies. That's Tony over there. Let me zoom into you. And that is Favor. We're basically mapping out our plan for the day because, you know, we got a plan. They're looking at me weird. They're like, what's this thing that's happening? I changed my room. It's pretty much the same thing. I have a bathroom now, and I found out that you can get rooms with mountain view. I'm like, oh guys, I want the mountain view. So they said, oh yes, we can change that for you. And instead of getting the city view, I now have the mountain view. So the room remains the same, just like I showed you in the morning. It's the same layout for all the rooms, room mirror and everything, just that now you can see the mountains, and that is it. That is what I love. Mountain view, skies, everything. That's the vibe. Yes. So guys, in life, you just need to ask for what you want and you will get it. Just ask respectfully and just ask, be assertive in your asking and you will get it. I asked for this and I got it, period. It's not like anything was wrong with the other room. I just wanted mountain view, and also I don't want just floor AC. I want actual AC. Little things, but it makes a difference for me. I'm going to see you in my next vlog. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, share this video with your friends. I hope you get a lot of value from the Rwanda vlog I'm going to do next. Also, if you have questions concerning my trip here, just let me know. I flew Rwanda Air and it was about 190 something thousand return flights from Lagos to Kigali and back to Lagos. So yeah, that's that. You're going to see me in my next vlog. So guys, bye.